I'm just gonna skip the 4th of July.
I go this song.
Damn.
Same day as Dr. Jones takes me.
What's up, YouTube?
No. Damn.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Kivia Lanice. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. And if you came back before this,
Yeah, I'm recording.
hey, YouTube. What's happening? It's your girl, Kivia Lanice, back again with another vlog.
Okay, we can.
I had to come jump on the camera because I can't even completely express how I feel, but I low-key been kind of down and feeling like a little depressed. And what's crazy is my little brother's friend called me from where we was like, you know, doing our whole little 4th of July thing or whatever. And I was kind of like recording, but I wasn't feeling it that day. And he was like, what clips do you have? Like, how do you get them off your camera? Can you send them to me? So I'm like, okay, cool. Like, so what's crazy is because I wasn't really feeling, you know, like vlogging and stuff like that, I hadn't picked up my camera and actually looked at my footage. I was like, I ain't really vlog like that. I'm just gonna skip the 4th of July. But once he called me and I like pulled up the footage and started scrolling through it, it was so exhilarating, I have to say. And I just have to say, God work in mysterious ways sometimes, because I was really down, and I still am, and I probably got some roadblocks to get over, but I was kind of like going through a little stump where I was feeling kind of depressed or whatever. And then when I went back and I saw how much footage they got, and then my little cousin jumped on the camera and was like, this is for Kivia, I'm gonna get you some content, girl. Like, you, like, I don't know, anybody that's listening to this, and to the people who actually dove in at my lowest and still, you know, had my best interest at heart and was trying to help me, like, it's the smallest thing in the world. I don't even know how to word it. It's the smallest thing in the world, but it was the biggest thing to me. It was the biggest thing to me. And I thank God for the series of events that happened. I do. So I didn't really vlog very much, you guys, but I am going to go ahead and I'm gonna drop this footage from the 4th of July in the exact order that it uploaded on my camera. I'm not gonna edit it, I'm not gonna touch it, I'm not gonna nothing. I'm just gonna post it raw, exactly how it is. And the vibes were there, the fun, the personalities, the everything. And shout out to my little brother. Thank you for hosting your very first family event, minus anything that may have went wrong. But shout out to Coop, because he put it together. He put his work in it, his determination, his everything in order to make a successful family function, because he is trying to set new standards and new traditions for this family. And I hope my family members are watching it, because his ultimate goal is to be able to get us all back into one room and be able to have Thanksgivings and 4th of Julys and so on and so forth without any division. So shout out to my little brother, because Coop, you did that, honey. Shout out to Michaela, because she was a bad sous chef. She was in that thing, she did that. Shout out to my mama, because she was the hostess with the mostest, boo, period. And never get it twisted, my mama did that. Shout out to Mark, Lil Meezy on them ribs, honey, you did that, child, you did that. And yeah, shout out to everybody who came out. And this vlog is just, it's just a vlog, and I'm just gonna post it how it is. But thank you to everybody, and I love my family. I love y'all. And the next time I get on the camera, honey, this little bob will be gone, because lace is lifting and everything. But I've been going through it. But toodles.
I talked to you, girl.
What's wrong?
Why you delete your video? I was shook it.
I didn't delete them. I just unlisted them. I wasn't proud about them, bro.
I went back. For some reason, I was like, who finished watching that video? I was like, where did it go?
I'll put it back
It
up.
was
I
your
don't
last
know.
vlog. I had like watched it halfway, but I never finished it because I fell asleep. And I'm glad I put it back.
I'll probably post them back, but I don't know. I wasn't feeling too proud about it. Oh my god.
Y'all take a shot
without us?
We over here standing with the shot. I haven't. I was waiting to cheer.
Right. Like, how you take the shot? How you take the shot without us? What the hell?
Yes! I ain't taking another one. I ain't gonna hold y'all. That's your
Bullshit me today. I don't got time for it.
What you mean?
I don't got time for it. I don't have time for it.
Yeah, you got time. Yeah. That's
15
enough.
days afterwards.
Yeah. Happy 15 days.
On your bitch ass. Damn, nigga, you want to wait for everybody else to take the shot. That was the...
Don't threaten me. Say like, oh, now we drinking, bitch. Don't piss me off. Let's go. All right, let's go now.
Damn, Monty.
Y'all know she gonna turn that shit.
Brian, shut the fuck up. Hold on, who sound like that?
You?
What's wrong with y'all? Y'all think I'm Jeffrey or some shit?
I'm deep in shit right now.
I'm I got that.
Technically not mixing two Tostitos when I'm country. What do you mean? So I can't do no dark tonight.
No dark.
15 days after Juneteenth, nigga.
He's ugly.
I cook this on.
Everybody at the gas station. There we go.
Come on. Let's see what they do.
Yeah, let's go see what they
We're
do.
on the episode of Cheaters.
On God. Ugly ass.
He messing with my baby daddy. And my other baby daddy.
Yeah, let's go kill him. Ooh, shit. Damn. Boy, Lex got that flat pancake booty, boy.
Shit, you gotta get it from the side.
Get from the side there, Lucy. On me, she put that bitch on the sink. Put that bitch on the sink, girl.
You messing with my baby daddy.
Hey, put that bitch on the sink. Yeah, look right. Hey, she told me to. Hey, she told me to. Video show her.
Do not.
Hey, turn her shirt
Oh
on.
God! You want a t-shirt?
Chicken tendies.
What you?
Chicken tendies.
Why you wear that?
Where you get that from?
Hey, she got from Five Below.
I say, tell me where you get that shirt from so I can know not to go there. Like,
Five Below.
Oh, damn.
What is wrong with my shirt?
Girl, it's the fucking says tendies on it.
Damn.
Why'd you hit me? Hey, y'all hate us.
Chicken
Y'all hate us.
tendies.
I bet y'all gonna go see this shirt and go buy it.
Hey, what's that? Lemon pepper and buffalo?
It's chicken tenders and
camera.
ketchup.
Yeah. What's up? Les from Oklahoma,
Well,
the plains of
Wait,
Oklahoma.
we messed up our Cheaters
Hey, she
episode.
heard fireworks and talking about, oh, they shooting outside.
Y'all come over with cameras. That's why I can't do shit with these cameras.
Hey, Twine, fella. Yeah, fella. They were trying to be on my boy top, talking about tattoos and shit.
You know, they just remind me.
They just remind you who the fuck you is, huh? Yeah, chill ass nigga. Crispy.
I'm waiting
Yeah.
to the barbers.
Nah, fuck that. We on you. Yeah.
Cut the camera.
Yeah. Damn, is it gonna pop yet? Or is it just gonna do that?
Where you getting all these shoes?
was clean.
Welcome to the fireworks show.
That was clean. I like that one.
Hello, we just getting started, man. Hello.
Yeah, that whole, yeah, that, yup. My mama said take a break.
Take a break.
My eyes, man. No, don't put those balls in there.
If it's not light, it's not light.
You gotta put your hands on them, man.
You're gonna have to put your hand by it.
Cause it's windy outside.
It's a little windy too.
He got
Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Y'all hurry up. Hurry up.
Let me see.
Come on, let's
Get back. Get back.
Y'all ain't fucking with us.
Got you licking the knee. Let's try to get some.
What's about a yoke car?
You got a lighter? No.
How's your hand behind it?
Huh?
How's your hand behind it to block the wind?
Wait a minute.
Damn!
God,
What the hell? What are you trying to get into?
I still talk to him like
Oh shit.
Swan, what are you doing?
everybody that talks about
This key. Oh,
Yeah, that's
record.
Yeah.
Hi.
No,
I got my bazooka. I'm about to light this up. I'm so excited.
What's up?
Hold on, wait.
All right. Hey, my name is Lexus. And
You
this
look like a drunk bitch.
She let me get my intro. She had my intro. I didn't get shit.
Hello, my name is Lexus.
All right,
And
ready?
I'm alcoholic.
Alright, I'm ready. She's still recording.
All right, my name is Lexus, and this is my hood.
Don't ever lie like that.
You ain't know where you at.
We don't never lie like
You
that.
ain't know where she at.
We don't lie like
I don't know
that.
where the fuck I'm at right now.
You in the grown house.
This is it.
Yeah.
Hey, this the grove.
The 7-5.
Yeah, 7-5. Yeah, 7-5. 6-5.
We here.
You know what the fuck going on?
Yeah, we here.
Yeah.
What you talking about? Fuck.
Is this the great?
Act like you know. Holly Hills, Texas, though. You hear me?
Windows 30 east to the Grove. I done swung on Jim Miller, my bro good on that stove. Head to West Dallas, I done made a left on Vickers. I can't put you on no oil, you a gulper, not a sipper.
Keep it. My nigga already keep it at this chilling.
We got Kiwi on the cut.
What song is this? I gotta listen to it. Like he says it 20 times. Something.
What song is that? I know what it is. Y'all know this song. Yes,
Hey, you know what that part?
if you ain't heard it, you heard it.
Oh Jesus! What she playing that on? What the
Come on, you did rob a bank. You look good when robbing a bank.
Keep your set.
You look good when robbing a bank. You looking like you in a bird like.
walking.
Yeah. Let that go. Let that be.
Right there.
Ooh, that whole kitchen on fire. I'm about to make a blog. I'm about to clean it myself.
Have to.
Got to. Well, we gotta do what bigger next year.
Yeah. Your budget gotta be by what, 2,000? 2,000? 2,000?
All the big over there was on my on top of my car. Twerking on my car.
That's my cousin.
Nigga got my shit dirty.
They said this my way.
I picked up them two little things, my bad.
They over there flexing on it. That shit.
They got a whole 26.
Oh my shit, talking about this my cousin.
They over there dying left.
You talking about, wait a minute.
Oh my god, that shit funny. That shit funny as fuck. Alright, time to go hop on these spades.
Let's say it again.
Time to go hop on these motherfucking spades.
Damn.
Okay.
Built ass.
Type shit.
We have yet to lose.
And ain't gonna lose.
No bullshit.
At all.
Are y'all partners? Nah, I need a partner my goddamn self. No, Keith, you said me and you partners. Fuck that. Bye for Dre. You ain't have to, y'all can say bye to the motherfucker. Shit, I was like that. Y'all can't say bye to no motherfucking body. You bring your light here, how your ass over here too. Shit, the fuck?
In that red dress.
You
come on Gucci tomorrow?
I am.
Yeah, okay, we all gonna go to Gucci house tomorrow.
Y'all get their sight.
We all gonna. No, don't touch on my titty like that. I ain't got the titty.
You touch on
Okay, I'm gonna go come over y'all tomorrow.
Okay, now for me. She was on that bitch like she said, this ain't shit.
No, I didn't. Let me see.
Late in the bitch tomorrow.
She probably thought she was recording.
You heard me? Nigga ain't gonna be done with this route till 5
You gotta
o'clock.
add me on that, huh? I'm gonna send it to you.
Hey, bitch, we tripping. We tripping.
Oh, Lord.
I think that's some more shit.
Fair, next year or what?
I don't know how to play spades. Right.
Nigga, what?
He gonna.
You found another one.
Scorpion.
Oh.
I can stop me.
Yeah, let's take a shot.
Oh shit, I gotta leave him.
Y'all like my friend, Dad.
This why they say don't pop your own shit. That right there.
This nigga kicked it towards me and said, put it out.
Cause y'all wanna move, bro.
This nigga said, put it out.
I'm gonna say some shit on.
Hi y'all. I know this might be surprising because I don't ever like to be on camera. This is for Kivia so she can have some content. If ain't nobody else gonna tell y'all, we had a time last night. You know, food hosted mostly by me, grilling done by the great Jordan Coop and the great Mark Neasy. So I'm gonna just get some cleaning content, you know what I'm saying? If you didn't come through, you a loser. That's all I'm gonna tell you. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let me get about this camera now.
You on like
fresh cut?
master chef, like hold on. So what is it in reality? Is a what?
A lemon meringue cheesecake.
Oh my God, is that what you making?
But the cheesecake is more
We're gonna call
cheesecake
it-
than meringue.
Oh my God, I don't care. Oh
I'm
my
gonna call it a
God.
free range,
Yeah.
free range lemon.
Free range.
Free, like they some fucking chickens.
Let me see if I can eat myself sick today.
Not cage.
Organic.
Not cage.
Look, I want to see if I'm gonna eat myself sick today. That shit was, I said she stuck her ass in that shit.
Okay.
Look, this gonna be mask on, mask off. Teeth in, teeth out. I found them motherfuckers. Yeah. To be continued on July 4th.
Okay.
Boom, 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 boom.
Today is July 4th and a half.
Whatever. Whatever's covered.
Okay.
Come on. Bottoms down, teeth down.
Yeah, okay.
You put slam it on. You put slam it down.
Oh, well, all right.
So what's on the floor? Well, you can't. You gotta keep it. How can shit? I can't let it die. Everybody in here is inventive. Everybody in here got some talent. Everybody in here can do something. All we gotta do is put something with it and make it happen. And our presentation is off the motherfucking chain. Presentation make everything look good. If the presentation ain't about shit, what you serving ain't gonna be about shit. How many agree or disagree?
I agree, Captain.
Hey. All we gotta do is put our minds together. Great minds think alike. Shit, ain't nothing to rent a motherfucking building for an event room. They have them empty buildings of police around this motherfucker all the time. Everybody in here can qualify for a small business loan and don't have to pay it back. A grant, actually. Because we all done been to school. Real shit. I don't know if y'all think I know anything, but I know a whole bunch of shit. I just don't say shit. Come on, shit. I want to do my ass and make me spell my name. Real shit. She didn't raise no dummies. Baby, see, I got you some new toothbrushes. You asked me for one. I felt so bad that I didn't have one to give you, but I went out and bought two. That's for two. I love it. Let's keep hope alive. Hype me up.
You said